Let A and B be numbers and B not equal to 0. The reason for that is because if the bottom is 0 in a fraction, it's undefined. Then it says let M and N be positive integers, meaning positive numbers that you can count. So 3, 4, 5, all of those are positive integers. Write each expression using the fewest number of bases possible. One of our exponent rules says if the same base is multiplied together, we add the exponents. Since there's a negative, we need to keep the parentheses, and then we get to add those exponents, which is equal to 16 as your exponent. Same thing here. The same base is being multiplied together, so we add the exponents. So this would be 2.7, and then the exponents get added together for 2.7 to the 8th. This one, the bases are being divided. A 7 and a 7 are being divided. When we divide, instead of adding the exponents, we subtract the top by the bottom. And 10 minus 3 is 7. Over here, we need 1/5. They are the same, and they are being multiplied, so we add. Finish what that exponent should be. Over here, again, the same base is being multiplied, so we add the exponents. Because we don't know what M and N are, we can't go any simpler than that, so we just leave it as it is. Over here, A doesn't have anything happening to it, but the B's are being divided. And again, when we're dividing, we subtract the exponents. The top minus the exponent on the bottom. So the A is still there, but the B has a first power because 3 minus 2 is 1. We don't write to the first power. We just write A and B. There is an invisible 1 there that we do not write. So really this says A to the first, B to the first, but we just write it as AB. A rectangle